Hi guys and ladies, welcome to our video this evening on the topic of changing a wheel in a car. Should you get a puncture? What we've noticed a lot lately is some cars are sold with no spare wheel in the car, and thus they have no lug wrench to change the punctured tyre in the car, and no jack in the car either. Now that's all fine, but if you'd like, if like me, you like to get down and change your own wheels in your car after you get a puncture in one of your tires, there's no harm to have a lug wrench and a jack around the place. You could even have them in your car or at home in the garage. You know, there's no harm at all. So with that in mind, this would be a typical wheel or car jack you might have for taking the wheel off of a car. It covers up to 2 tons, it lifts up to 2 tons, and the crank handle is actually given with the jack as well. Now, so these are the different images of the jack, car jack, and your chrome handle, crank handle as well. There it is when it's actually folded up properly and you can store it away nice and tidy. There it is when it's been extended. There's the connection point between the jack and the car, and there's where you use the crank handle to extend the jack. There's the maximum height you can lift it up to, which is 15 inches or 385 millimeters. Also then, this would be a typical lug wrench you might use with your car. As you can see, it has 4 different sides to it, so it actually covers lugs up to from size 17 millimeters up to 22 millimeters. It has an anti-slip design at the handle, and it's a fine lug wrench. Now I'll have the link for these 2 products in the description below this video. So should you want to order these products, and as I say, it's no harm at all to have them on hand when you have a puncture and you want to change the wheel in your car. You might get stuck at weekends. There might be no place opened to change, or that would have personnel to come and to help you take the wheel off your car. So you may have to take the wheel off yourself and go to one of these places, and they will then fix the tire or the puncture for you or change your tire on the wheel. So hope you enjoyed that video, folks. As I said, the link for both products will be in the description of the video below. And if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and maybe subscribe to our group as well. We'd love to have you along. Thanks for watching the video. Until later, folks. Bye for now. Thank you.